Wait, hold on. I don't know.
Oh, once you say it, you'll feel good. Come on.
Help me do it.
I
I
love,
love,
love
love
you.
you.
No, not you. You.
You.
Okay, now put all the words together.
I love you.
Now, let's say it like less painful. Let's say it like you're happy about it. Like, I love you.
I love you.
Oh,
I love you.
not like you're in pain. Like,